Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can create variety to your models using geometry and textures as well. So previously guys, I made a video on how you can turn textures into models just by doing very basic things. And so of course, if you're trying to decorate, let's say a library scene, you could just, duplicate this over and over again, but it'll become very obvious that we just have like kind of the same repeating thing happening here. So let's go ahead and add some variety. So of course, the most basic thing we can do, guys, is that we can go ahead and change some of the dimensions of this. So for example, if I always go to a copy of the original, what I could do here is I could take this. We'll see like here, there are two of these books here. I can have, two of these books. And a very quick thing we can do is we can just select this and kind of rotate this. And that way it's a little bit, less obvious that it's the same thing because you kind of have a little bit of different textures happening here. And we can just kind of sneakily move things around. We can go ahead and move this higher, for example. But then we also need to adjust that. So doing things like this, guys, we can go ahead and create some nice variety. So just simple edits we can do here. We can also, for example, make this wider. So we start to just add some nice variety here. In order to match up the Z position, you press S and then Alt-D. For axis constraints, you make sure the Z-axis is active by clicking on it. And you snap this vertex to this one that's only going to move on the Z-axis. Alt-D-S to turn it off. All right, so we made that smaller. Make sure Z is active and then snap that. All right, two books side by side. We can maybe make this maybe a little bit smaller for some small little variety. There we go. All right, and we can just kind of change the position of the books as well. And so guys, once we've done that, we will essentially have two little clumps of books that we can just kind of quickly use to decorate our scene. So already guys, if we compare these, you can already see there's some nice variety here. Although maybe this book is a little bit too distinct, maybe we can delete that one. And you guys can see we're able to get some nice variety in here, just like that. So now if we, duplicate this and maybe delete some books like that are more distinct, as you can see, already it doesn't quite look quite as repetitive anymore. So those are some nice things you can do. Let me undo that real quick. All right. But now, guys, let's also have some fun with textures. So here is the texture I'm using. I got this from textures.com. But all I need to do, guys, is I need to just duplicate this. And I will go ahead and create maps. You can just right-click here, Maps, General, and then Color Correction. And you plug this into Color Correction. And you plug this into Diffuse now. Double click on here to make it a little bit larger, guys. And here you can do things like hue shift to change the colors around a bit. We can also do things like change saturation to make it darker or lighter. We can also change the contrast and brightness here as well. And we can select this part. These parts. And we can apply this other material on them. And so now if we have them, let's say side by side, we can render that to see the results. You can already see that the colors add some nice variety here. Let me turn on the lights real quick. All right, guys, you can see that just by changing the colors, we do get already some nice variety here. So let's do that again. This time we'll change the hue to something else. We got some blue books here. So we can select some of these and make it blue. And we've got even more variety now. All right, and let's create one more color here. Maybe some light blue. We'll apply that. And once again, guys, we have even more variety now. And so if we do this, guys, we'll have a nice variety. Just some very quick, simple tips you guys can use to create more variety with geometry and textures. Thank you for watching and take care.